So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio 5.1 soundbar keeps cutting out, audio drops on ARC and Bluetooth. So fix 1 is perform a soft reset. Turn off the soundbar and unplug it from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on the physical soundbar for 10 to 30 seconds. Leave the soundbar unplugged for another 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Second fix is adjust your TV audio setting. Open your TV setting menu, go to audio or sound setting. Find digital audio out and change it from auto or bitstream to PCM. Third fix is disable echo power. Turn on your soundbar, press the menu button on your Vizio remote, scroll down using the arrow key until you see echo mode or power mode. On the remote small screen, press the right left arrow key to switch it to off. Press menu again to save. Fourth fix is reset and inspect physical cable. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or optical cable from both of the TV and soundbar securely. If using HDMI ARC, consider replacing it with a high-speed HDMI cable. Temporarily test an optical cable to check for a faulty port. Fifth fix is perform a hard factory reset. Turn on the soundbar, press and hold the Bluetooth and volume down button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Release the button when the LED flashed 3 times. This indicates a successful reset. Thanks for watching.